Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Memon from Matiari. Today, my topic to teach you is case. Please remember that I am teaching you grammar. The noun case. What is case? What is the definition of case? And what are its kinds? I will teach you this. And in the end, I will give you exercise. You have to solve it by yourself. Now, let's see what is the definition of case. A change in the form of a noun or pronoun to show its function in a sentence is called case. A change in the form of a noun or pronoun to show its function in a sentence is called case. This is the definition of the case. There are some kinds of cases also. There are 6 kinds of case. Number 1, nominative case. Number 2, accusative or objective case. Number 3, possessive or genitative case. Number 4, dative case. Number 5, ablative or locative case. Number 6, vocative case. These are the 6 kinds of case. Now let's see what are the definitions of these 6 kinds of cases. Number 1, nominative case. When a noun or pronoun is subject in a sentence, that noun or pronoun is said to be in nominative case. Look at these 2 sentences. Ali killed a snake. Ali is a subject, killed is a verb, and snake is object. Ali is subject and snake is object. Ali is also noun, snake is also noun. The noun Ali is said to be in nominative case because it is subject in a sentence, and the noun snake is object, so it is accusative or objective case. Number 2, he bought a book. He is pronoun, it is a subject. It is subject, so this pronoun is said to be in subjective case. As I told you in the definition that a change in the form of a noun or pronoun to show its function in a sentence is called case. Ali is a subject, it is a noun. He is pronoun, it is a subject. This noun and pronoun, these noun and pronoun both are said to be in nominative case. And snake and book, these are objects in these sentences, so they are said to be in objective case. Now, accusative case. When a noun or pronoun is object in a sentence, is said to be in accusative case. Look at this sentence. Ahmad caught a bird. Bird is object. Ahmad is a subject. Bird is object. The bird is said to be in accusative case. Ahmad is said to be in nominative case. Fahad killed him. Him is object. It is a pronoun. This pronoun is said to be in accusative case or objective case because it is object in this sentence. Fayed is a subject, it is nominative case. It is in nominative case. Now, possessive or genitative case. When a noun or pronoun is the owner of something or possesses something, is said to be in possessive case. Look at this sentence. This is Ali's house. Ali is the possessor of the house. So Ali is said to be in possessive case. This house is mine. Mine is pronoun. I am the owner of the house. So mine means I. Mine is in possessive case. This is a pronoun and Ali is a noun. In the first sentence, Ali is in possessive case. In the second sentence, mine is in possessive case. Now, number 4, dative case. What is a dative case? When a noun or pronoun is indirect object in a sentence, it is said to be in dative case. Look at this sentence. I gave Ali a book, a pen. I gave Ali a pen. Ali is indirect object and pen is direct object. When a noun or pronoun is indirect object in a sentence, it is said to be in dative case. Ali is in dative case because it is indirect object. You told us a story. Us is indirect object. Us is indirect object and story is direct object. You told us. What did you tell? It is direct object. Whom did you tell? Us. It is indirect object. Us is indirect object. It is a pronoun. It is in dative case. I gave Ali a pen. What did I give? A pen. It is a direct object. Whom did I give? Ali. Ali is indirect object. It is in dative case. In the first sentence, Ali noun is in dative case, and in the second sentence, us pronoun is in dative case. Now, number 5, ablative or locative case. When there is a preposition before a noun or pronoun, that noun or pronoun is said to be in ablative case. Look at this sentence. The boys go to school. School is a noun. School is noun. To is a preposition. There is a preposition before noun school. So noun is said to be in ablative case or locative case. The second sentence. The book is on the table. Table is a noun. Table is noun. And on is preposition. On is preposition. So the noun table is said to be in ablative or locative case. Now, case number 6. Vocative case. What is vocative case? A noun or pronoun which is addressed in a sentence is said to be in vocative case. Look at this sentence. Listen to me, boys, means boys is a noun. It is addressed. So, the boys is said to be in vocative case. Number 2 sentence. Ahmad, where are you going? Ahmad is addressed to. So, Ahmad is said to be in vocative case. When a noun or pronoun which is addressed to in a sentence, whom we call, is said to be in vocative case. These are the 6 kinds of cases. Now, please be careful. It's your turn now to do the exercise. I am going to give you an exercise. Please do it here. I wait for you some time. What is the exercise? Look at this exercise. Name the cases of the underlined nouns and pronouns in the sentence. In these sentences, I have given some 9 sentences, and the nouns and pronouns are underlined. You have to tell the case of each noun and pronoun. It's your turn. Do it by yourself. Be careful. Number 1. Rashid called me. Rashid is underlined. Me is underlined. What is the case of Rashid and what is the case of me? Please tell me this. Number 2. You beat him. You is underlined. Him is also underlined. Tell me the case of both the words. Number 3. I taught them a new lesson. I is underlined. Them is underlined. Both are pronouns. You have to tell the cases of these pronouns. Number 4. She gave Aslam a rose. She is underlined and Aslam is underlined. Tell me the case of these words. Number 5. This is King's palace. King's, it is underlined. Tell me the case of the word king. Have you finished your work, boys? Boys is underlined. Tell me the case of boys. Number 7. Oh, death, how painful are you? Death. Death is noun. Please tell me the case of the word death. Number 8. You went to Islamabad yesterday. Islamabad is noun. It is underlined. Tell me the case of the word Islamabad. Number 9. The boys are in the classroom. Classroom is underlined. Tell me the case of classroom, which is a noun in this sentence. Please hurry up. I wait some time for you. You have to solve this. I think you will have finished your work. Now check your answer. Number 1. Rashid called me. What is the case of Rashid? Yes, you are right. It is a nominative case. Rashid's case is nominative because it is a subject in the sentence. And what is the case of me? Accusative. Yes, you are right. Because it is object. Me is a pronoun. It is object. So it is in accusative or objective case. Very good. Number 2. You beat him. You use the subject in the sentence. So it is in nominative case. Yes, you are right. Him. Him is object in the sentence. So it is in accusative case. Very good. Now number 3. I taught them a new lesson. I is a subject. It is a pronoun. It is subject. So it is in nominative case. Them is object. It is a pronoun. It is in accusative case. Very good. Number 4. She gave Aslam a rose. She is a pronoun. It is subject. So it is in nominative case. And Aslam Aslam is the indirect object. Yes, very good. Not a direct object. Rose is a direct object. So, Aslam is said to be in dative case. And rose, it is not underlined. It is direct object. Number 5. We have to tell only the case of Aslam. Aslam is in dative case. Number 5. This is King's Palace. King's. There is apostrophe and is possessive. The noun is in possessive. So, it is in possessive case. It is very easy. Have you finished your work, boys? Boys is a noun. This noun is addressed to. So it will be in which case? Yes, vocative case. It is in vocative case. Oh, death, how painful are you? Death. Death is a noun. It is addressed to. Yes, it is in vocative case. They went to Islamabad yesterday. Islamabad. It is a noun, but there is a preposition before a noun. So, Islamabad is said to be in ablative or locative case. Yes, very good. Number 9. The boys are in the classroom. Classroom is also noun, but there is a preposition before this noun. When there is a preposition before a noun or pronoun, that noun is said to be in which case? Ablative, yes, locative. Classroom is in locative case. Thank you very much.